Hello, my name is Tok. I just would like to introduce you about my country, Thailand, and now I live in Bangkok. I'm gonna give you some tips or some place that or the food or something in general about Thailand, and maybe you will have some idea in case you like to travel here. So hope you enjoy later on with my videos and see you for the next time. Bye bye.
Hello, today I'm at the Kanchanaburi. I just came out from Bangkok, and Kanchanaburi actually is in the central of Thailand as well. So basically, if you just come, you will pass like Nakhon Pathom and also Ratchaburi and also Kanchanaburi. So basically, now we are at I'm at the actually I'm at the River Kwai Noi river. So actually is here you can see a lot of the scenery here with the green and lot of natures and mountain and also with the bushes and trees around. So the reason why I come today because I would like to show you another part of Thailand as well and also visit my brother who live here now as well. So hello, now I'm at the in Kanchanaburi. Kanchanaburi is in the central of Thailand. So basically, if you come from Bangkok, you will pass the Ratchaburi and Nakhon Pathom as well. Now I'm at in the place that we try to and waiting for the elephants to come because we're gonna watch the manhood to bat the elephant today. So basically, at the moment, we have seen three elephants together, but in the brochure that I have learned so far, they have two elephants that are so old, and because this organization would like to protect the elephant from like the people who hurt them, and because these elephants ever worked before for like a kind of a just towing the lock. So some of the elephants also have problem with their leg, and that's the reason why they come here and they would like to show just now like a kind of a show for the elephant to take a bath. And the reason why we cannot come close to them because it's the policy of this organization that they don't want us to come near or let the elephants feel stressed. That's why we have to stay here and just watch in the distance. So the manhood normally for them they are quite have that job and basically is very special because the manhood have to get a very good relationship together with the elephants because otherwise it will be quite dangerous to treat or feed or even bat them. So I know one of the two elephants named Mali and also another one named Kamun as well. So these elephants are quite old, so please look at them and pay respect to them as well.
Thank you for watching my videos, and if you have any comment or any idea or anything that you would like to know about Thailand or Bangkok, just let me know. I will try to find the answer for you. And it will be great if you can support my channel by press the like or give me the subscribe. So it will be help to and support my channel. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.